Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to start a series. Over the next few weeks and maybe a month, I'm going to do a series on right from how to build your LinkedIn profile, making a resume, applying for a job, getting the interview done properly, and starting off the job as well. So the first video in this series will be about how to make a very good LinkedIn that you can help succeed in this journey of starting from applying for a job to getting a job. Now, why is LinkedIn such an important thing today? It is the answer for the corporate part of social media. You have your Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, but in LinkedIn is what corporates use. So it's very important. Today, every company, including us, including me, I always go and check the LinkedIn profile. It helps me to understand who am I talking to and who is this person. We even use at a corporate level LinkedIn for hiring, which means we can search by particular job roles, who we want, what we want and stuff. So I really want to encourage all of you to think about this is the reason why you need to have a good, strong LinkedIn profile. So for those, of course, who don't know what is LinkedIn, it is a social media platform for corporates. So please go and register yourself. But before you make your profile, listen to this video till the end. I will give you some golden nuggets from my own personal experience. Let's get started. The first one, what is that when you open a LinkedIn profile? Is a photo. And have you noticed people putting photos of showing their side profile, back, or in maybe a gym clothes, or in a very casual environment, something not appropriate for corporate? Please remember that LinkedIn is a corporate situation. It's not a social media for having fun, which means you should put a profile pic which is clearly showing your face and at least your upper body. Whole body is also fine, but make sure it's proper, appropriate, professional. Of course, if you're a gym professional, you can put a gym clothing attire photo as well. But whatever it is, please make sure that there's good lighting on your face, your features are shown properly, it's taken with a good camera, and it's properly done in an appropriate back environment as well. So don't take like a photo in a swimming pool and post it there, right? I mean, you can do whatever, of course, nobody's stopping you. But if you want to be attracted, if you want to be noticed, if you want to be seen, this is what I suggest. Photo, the profile, the banner. You've seen a lot of people behind the photo, they have a banner as well. The banner is again a reflection of who you are as a person. Again, you can put a photo as well, showing about the kind of person you are. If you like to put quotes, of course, nothing wrong in that. You can do that as well. Again, something that reflects your personality. So use the banner to show a little bit of the persona you are, the caliber that you show, the kind of emotions that you can display, all that can come under the banner. The third one is the description. Now, I have seen a lot of LinkedIn profiles where they just type out their role, where they work, how many years they're working there, and every other role they have done. Now, if you don't put anything, automatically LinkedIn chooses your last work as your headline. Your headline is the mirror to show the world in a nutshell who you are as a person. In a headline also, you want to have keywords which when people search can find you. For example, if I'm looking for a product manager, I'm going to go to LinkedIn and search product manager. Now, if your headline doesn't have the product manager, and if you are a product manager, then I won't be able to see you. So make sure you're choosing those keywords as well. A headline can also be something very innovative, right? It can be not the usual stuff that people see, because you want people to look at your LinkedIn profile and connect with you and talk to you. So think about how to make it something out of the box, something that again shows the personality as well. I don't want to give specific examples here because it could just mean like I'm copying someone. But if you can go through a lot of LinkedIn profiles, you will see some very catchy ones. Which ones caught your eye? Those are the ones you can literally look at copying as well. Once you have the headline done, you're starting to build a good, decent profile. Then is about the summary. On the summary, don't talk about what you have done. Everybody does that. Can you say about why have you done what you have done? Can you talk about the purpose of your life? Can you talk about purpose of what are you trying to achieve? Can you talk about what are you really proud of yourself? The summary can be really something out of the ordinary. You can speak about the why, as I said, not just the what. So please try and use the why in the summary. That will be a good start. Once you have done that, then go to the endorsements and recommendation phase. In the LinkedIn page, you can also get your skills endorsed by your friends, by your colleagues. So you can do the endorsements part. So seek for it. Recommendations. Again, my suggestion is don't get recommendations just from your colleague who you have also put a recommendation for them. It's like I recommend you, you recommend me. It doesn't sound valid. If you really feel you've done a great job, ask people to write a recommendation for you. And if they don't do it, it's fine. But if they do it, good for you. Again, it helps to stand you out. It makes you feel like you've done some good quality work. And let it come from a person who is very trustworthy in the market as well. So which means it's somebody with credibility, with a senior position kind of thing, right? The sixth one is activity. Once you've done your profile, you want to be active. You don't want to be just letting your profile die a natural death. So actively comment on people's profile. Actively post people, in your profile. Actively write things that add value. I always say that be a thought leader. You may have expertise in some topic, write about that. When you're commenting as well, don't just always comment, thank you very much. Put some value, show who you are. I have been connecting with people just by looking at the kind of content they put. It really makes you attractive. But please make sure don't make it a lot about self-bragging. That's what a lot of people do, and some people don't like it. I don't mind it, to be honest, because everybody's building their personal brand. Because the whole LinkedIn is all about building a personal brand. So you should be putting out interesting, good content which can attract people to your LinkedIn profile. And as I said, this can really even get very, very senior people to follow you as well. If you are not a top person, by a good activity, you can attract a lot of people as well. The last one is network. Of course, LinkedIn is a networking place. You want to connect with people, you want to talk to them, you want to ask them for job opportunities as well. All this is fine. But please read one of my LinkedIn messages where I have mentioned how to connect with people online. Please use that. Do not just randomly connect with people and just keep asking for favors. This is my request to all of you. This can help you make LinkedIn a great personal branding platform for all of you. If you use LinkedIn properly, there's a very good chance you're going to get that next call for your job. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till I see you next time, stay fit, stay positive, keep chasing extreme success. Thank you.